Oranmore brownies, and this is Charlie, my mascot, and he's from the Irish dinosaur brownies, and he's been helping me with engineering. This is my map, and I chose a lamp post, a castle, Oranmore Castle, Oranmore Bridge, and the swan nesting platform. I made a touchy-feely map, and we used string in the middle of the road, tinfoil on the lamp post, sand on the castle, wire on the bridge, and a feather for the swan nesting platform. This map is touchy-feely because so people who can't see very well can work their way along it. The nesting platform was made by local engineers for the local swans whose nest kept getting swamped at high tides. And it floats, but it's tethered so it can't float away. This is my nesting platform, and at the moment it's sitting on the island, but if I pour more water in, I can show how it floats using its corks. And this is going to be how it floats. And this is how this nesting platform floats. So they're all happy and dry, and the chicks are doing very well.